Okay, Assalamualaikum. Okay, so this is a comment feedback made for Genius Group. Okay, firstly, the report is actually very nicely done. Like you can see, it's written very nicely for me to get the understanding of all the information given. Project name, pre-love, theme, responsible consumption and production. And okay, they also show this SEMS business model canvas embedded together with this Microsoft Word. Okay, here the customer segment is students and staff and public, and the value proposition is recycle items, zero waste, and so on. Okay, so whatever it is that is being mentioned from the SDG, what are the problems in SDG, okay, how it becomes the idea to later on convert into a business model canvas, okay, should be mentioned clearly in the video. Okay, so they also provide a SEMS poster. It looks okay in the document is okay, but please don't put a very long text in the video, because people don't have that much time to read. You just go and put point by point. Okay, so here also in the report it's mentioned the step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 on how to actually use the pre and love application, mobile app application. All right, so let's go to the video. Okay, so the video let me play. Okay, the video. All right, the video is complete with everything here. Okay, so it's just 2 minutes and 1 second. You still have another 2 minutes to use to optimize the time so that you can present very well. Okay, firstly, I would like to suggest, of course, you have your SEMS poster here. You have your SEMS poster. Okay, so yeah, you expect people to read. Okay, it's okay, no problem. People will read it, will watch it, but they have the document, so I don't think that's a big problem. The only thing is, okay, let's go. Okay, the poster. Okay, poster. This one is okay, no problem. The only thing is the text. Okay, I like to suggest that you just choose the keywords. Okay, for example, targeted UTM residents. Okay, so whatever it is, make it keywords. Okay, key points. This is very long, and then you don't allow very what they call a good duration for people to read through. It's very fast, you see, just a few seconds. Okay, you won't be able to read through, and you cannot expect people to read through so fast all the information. So most importantly, put keywords. Okay, next you can see here. Okay, this is the prototype. Okay, the prototype. First, create account. So I like to suggest, okay, you see, so business name, and then the snapshot of the page in your mobile app profile. Okay, all right, so you can also put side by side, side profile, you put it maybe to the left side. Okay, maybe, or you put to your right side, so your app will appear here. So at one page you can actually show the profile and the snapshot of your page. Okay, so you have all here. One by one, or this is the category of your pre-love item based on the price. Okay, so you have filtering. Okay, you mentioned in your value proposition is filtering. You have very good filtering. Hold on, let me check. You mentioned there you have quality filter. What do you mean by quality filter? Is this the type of filter that people really want? How do you know that that's the filter that people really want? Okay, if you can get actually a few students in class, or a few students in either in our section or out any other section, talking about what do they really want, how do they really search a bundle item. Okay, you can actually do a very simple questionnaire. What kind of criteria do you want to get when you search for bundle item? So maybe they say maybe the type of material. Okay, because last time when I was a student, I always go and get baju sejuk, or those wool type of apparels from what they call a bundle shop. You know, there's 1 9 bundle. Nian or Nine Bundle, I don't remember, outside in Skudai. And there's another one very near, I don't think you know, but it's in Skudai. Skudai is actually more famous than Taman University last time when I was studying. There's one shop, they are selling bundle, all the product actually from Singapore. So if people in Singapore, they have very limited space. So normally if they have a lot of good stuff being put in the bundle store. And there's no such cataloging like Genius is making. There's no catalog. People don't actually know how to choose. Okay, let's say if I go to that shop, I want to find a specific thing. The shopkeeper or the shop helper will tell, okay, bang, or Adi, you go to that side, to the corner, and maybe you can find whatever it is you want. Or sometimes they hang it. Okay, so so what Genius do actually, you can actually understand how people find, or how do actually they choose the item, how you can help them to find. Okay, so this is where you validate the quality filter features that you put. Okay, all right, and then the other one, okay, let's continue. And then we have okay, the blouse. Chatting session. I'm not sure about chatting session. So you have chatting session here, but in your BMC you don't have anything related to chatting session. So where is it used? Is it used for custom relationship? You want people to connect with you and start chatting and so on. Do you think people who wants to purchase bundle, they want to chat with you in this way, or what? If you think it's true, maybe you can do some very simple questioning, asking people. Maybe you get 30 or 40 people will in the class also even can help. So you put your what they call results in the video pitch. So when the judge see it, they can actually get, aha, now I know. I get the idea how you actually come out with the chatting. It's because many people, or maybe 70 or 80% of people who wants to buy bundle items, they will need to actually consult and get and chat with you. Okay, so that means it's validated. Okay, all right. Next, location of your pre-love item. So you have location of your pre-love item. So I'm not really sure whether the location of pre-love item, that means the specific pre-love item will be available in all these places, or I can see here there are shoes, there are bags, and so on. So in this case, maybe location of the, or location of pre-love item. No need to put your pre-love item. So unless, okay lah, I get what you mean, because you can sell your stuff. Okay, because you partners is pre-love students, pre-love item from students. So in this case, you are actually working as your system is actually a platform. So your platform should actually handle the person who give away their shirt or whatever it is they give away, and there's another part where you handle people who wants to purchase the item. So if you are, because you are a platform, you have to handle with both of these lah. So try to modify and reflect it in your apps. In your apps doesn't have that, so it will increase the value of your application, of your apps, if you have the platform to support the what they call the person who actually provide their pre-love item, and the person who actually wants to purchase. So we call it like a two-sided lah. One is the person who actually gives service or to offer their shirts or apparel, whatever it is, and the other person is purchasing. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you, Genius Group. Okay,